Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm showing how to use 3 Telegram account in one mobile. So in this video I'm not talking about any parallel apps or dual apps or something. I'm just gonna install normal applications and creating 3 Telegram accounts separately, so I can use all of them without signing out from one account to another in the same application. So let's download the Telegram application. At beginning, just search for Telegram in Play Store or App Store and finish the installation. So right now I'm installing Telegram, pending and installing status. You can use more than one Telegram account by using parallel space, but it requires really good RAM and specification on your mobile, otherwise it will be freezing and your mobile will be hanging. A lot of problems will be happening when you're using parallel space applications. So in this technique I'm not using any parallel application, as I mentioned, and I have already installed Telegram application. So first let's log in with one account in Telegram. I need to get a temporary number for registering to Telegram application. So open Telegram and click on start messaging, and here I need to give permission for Telegram to use it properly and start messaging. Now we need to give the mobile number. I have a temporary number from US to register, so I'm going to give that number and click on this arrow mark down. I have received a code from Telegram on my number, test number. Provide the name after you give the OTP. So I'm giving Shamir Ahmed for my account. Click on the arrow mark again for proceeding. So we already created the Telegram application. Let's chat with someone. Let's message someone. I should have one account already, yeah. So I'm gonna message this number. So we have successfully created one Telegram account, guys, and now we proceed with the second account of Telegram. So we have to go to Play Store again, downloading the second application. We already tested one application successfully. We can join channels, we can join groups and everything. Now you search for Telegram X in your App Store or Play Store. You will get another application which is like a dark user interface on the application. That's fine. This application is exactly the same as Telegram application. There is no much difference comparing to Telegram. So this will help you to run a second application, Telegram account on your mobile without any problems. So let's finish it. Let's wait for it to finish. Already finished. Click on open. So we need to create account again. I have one more temporary number from US, so I'll give that number for verification and click on the arrow mark, same as before, and we need to provide the OTP that we have received on our mobile. I didn't receive the code so far, so I'm gonna request them for a call on my number. So let's wait to receive the call. Suppose if you didn't receive SMS, you can click on haven't received the code, so they will call us for the code. So right now I got a call, and I need to give that code that is they are dictating on the telephone. So I'm going to give that code 79037. That's fine. And now I need to give the name for the account. I can give the same one, it says, or just a different name for understanding or identifying. Shamir Tastu, and agree with the terms and conditions. Continue. Hello. And here we are. So we successfully created the second Telegram application. We can message anyone who is in Telegram, who are using Telegram. So let's text the other number that we already created. So I just need to message that number. I need to add the contact, so I should be able to message that number. So I'm gonna use US. USA. Okay, US is there on the top, I believe. Yeah, USA. And the number of the account, I'm showing the number which I have created for Telegram application in the first app that I created, that I have shown you. So let's add the contact for us to message him directly and send hi or one emoji. So you can see that I have already received message from that specific number. So great, we are using 2 Telegram accounts parallelly without any use of third-party apps like parallel apps or something, and I can use it without any problems. Here we are. I can send messages to each other. Great, Marcus Reed. And now we are using 2 Telegram application and 2 different accounts. I don't have any more US numbers, so I'm gonna use the same number for the second application. But if you have more numbers, you can use that one. The application that you need to download is Plus Messenger. This is similar to Telegram application, but there is some differences. Like you can, it's more like a chatting application, like similar to somewhat like WhatsApp, but it's also cloud-based, and you can see all the features that you have in the Telegram application, all the channels and groups that will be available in Plus Messenger as well. So let's start messaging. I'm registering it with the number that I have used previously. There is nothing wrong to use it in multiple devices or multiple accounts, but in case if you have a third number and you want to use it for your Telegram, feel free, you can use that. But for me, I don't have any number, so I already used all my numbers. So I'm going to register with the same number that I have registered for the Telegram X, I believe. And now the code will be receiving on the application or the active account. You can see here the code is not received on SMS. It has been received on the Telegram application itself, the active login session. So I give that code and press on I need to press the continue instead of not stop. So I need to get that password again and confirmation, continue. And here we have seen that there is a new session of login. That's fine. Click on OK. Now you can see that the chat with the other account, Shamir Muhammad, is already there, since we are using the same account on 2 applications. But the case here is we have 3 separate applications for Telegram, and we can have 3 mobile numbers for 3 Telegram accounts separately. Without logging out and logging in, you should be able to use it properly without any problems. So that's how it works, guys, and I really thank you for watching completely. Subscribe the channel. As always, I'm requesting subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification, and see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.